All right, we got this really nice 2-pack under sink organizer. Obviously, can be amazing for use under your sink. Also on this desk, in your kitchen, storage, your pantry, whatever. This thing is amazing. And I already put this one together. I'm actually going to set this one off to the side, and I'm going to show you how to put this one together. So I'm going to put the second one together. So first thing we're going to do, we're actually going to take this piece right here. This is the base, this is the bottom. And I did already put these on. There's 4 of them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece right here, just put it right in like so. From here, we're going to push it down all the way. Make sure it's pushed down. From here, we are going to take this piece right here and this piece. I'm going to set it in here like so, and we're just going to slide it in right here. Slide it right in. There we go. There's that. Now we are going to put this piece up here, and we're going to slide this piece right in here. So as you can see, very easy to put together. Now all we need is some stuff to put on here. Maybe we'll put on a few books down here. Maybe set them like that. And then we can put a plant right up here. And you can put whatever you want in here. You can add some other stuff, whatever you want. This thing is amazing. Hardly takes up any space, but this thing's amazing. So highly recommend it to you.